Hello students, let us continue the session on playing with the numbers. We shall start with question number 4. Hope you must have done question number 1, 2, 3, the questions which were remaining. Now, question 4 is, using divisibility tests, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. We have to recall that we need to find the sum of the digits at odd places and the even places. Then we will find the difference of both the sums. If the difference is a 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. I'll be telling 1 or 2 questions of this type. Remaining you can try it. Let me consider in random, say question C I am taking. The given number is 7138965. Here first I will find out the sum of the digits at odd places. Here, which are the digits which are at odd places? I will highlight the odd places. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the digits at odd places. Let me add them. I'll write it as 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. The sum is 24. And the sum of the digits at even places the digits at even places are the remaining digits 6, 8 and 1. The sum is 15. Now I'll find the difference of both the sums. Difference of both sums is the highest number is 24 and the lowest number is 15. The difference is 9. Since the difference is neither 0 or, when I use neither, I have to use nor, multiple of 11. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 11. Now you must have understood it. Let me consider one more question in random so that you will understand. Let me consider the last one, F. Here the given number is 901153. Let me find out the sum of the digits at odd places. Here the sum of the digit at odd places will be 3 plus 1 plus 0. The sum is 4. 3 plus 1 plus 0. Sum of the digits at even places will be 5 plus 1 plus 9. The sum is 15. Now we shall find out the difference of both the sums. The difference will be larger number minus the smaller number. The difference is 11. Since 11 is divisible by 11. The number 901153 is divisible by 11. So what you must remember, you have to remember that whenever there is the difference of odd places and even places are 0 or 11 or 22, that is the multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. You have to find the difference of the numbers at even place and odd place. You have to add the even place digits and odd place digits, then find the difference. With this, I can tell you that you will be able to solve the remaining questions. We had solved C and F remaining questions. I want you to try. Next question, question number 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. We know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. That is known to us. Let me mention, we know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Therefore, I have to find the smallest digit and also the largest digit. Here, the number is 6724. I need to add 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus this number. I have to get it. In the same way, for the largest digit also, I have to get the first digit, and the rest of the digits on addition should give the sum such that it is exactly divisible by 3. Let's look at what is 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 7 is 13 plus 6 is 19. So if I consider the digit, which digit? The smallest digit as 2, the sum becomes 21. So this 21 is divisible by 3, so the smallest digit is 2. In the same way, if I consider the largest digit to be 8, then the sum becomes 27. This 27 is divisible by 3. 21 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the smallest digit is 2 and we get the number as 26724, and one more number we get it as 86724. This is the smallest number, this is the largest number. So we have replaced this blank with 2 and 8. On the similar way, we have to find out for the second one. In the second one, the given number has the digits 4, 7, 6, 5, blank and 2. Let me first add these digits. 4 added to 7 added to 6 added to 5 blank plus 2. First let me add them. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 6 is 17, plus 5 22, plus 2 24. Suppose if I consider 24 plus 0, the number obtained is 24 is divisible by 3. So I can choose the number as, say, 0. Then I'll be getting smallest digit. To get the largest digit, once again I'll consider the sum. The sum of the digits 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus blank plus 2, which is 24 plus dash. Suppose if I consider the digit to be, say, 9, if I consider this as 9, let me change the ink color. If this digit is 9, then 24 plus 9 is 33, and this 33 is exactly divisible by 3. Therefore, the numbers, smallest and largest numbers, are 476502 and 476592. This is the smallest number, this is the largest number. This is how we can find the missing number from the given. Let us see the next question. Here the question is, write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. What do we know? We know that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits at odd places and that of even places should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Let me consider the given number. The given number is 9 2 blank 389. Let me consider the odd places first. Then I'll consider the even places. Here the odd places is 9 plus 3 plus blank, 9 plus 3 plus 2, not blank, 9 plus 3 plus 2. The even places are 8 plus blank plus 9. Here the sum becomes 14. Here the sum is 17 plus blank. Now the difference has to be either 0 or multiple of 11. If I consider some digit here, it exceeds 14, so we cannot get 0. Suppose if I consider this digit to be 8, I'll highlight that. If I consider this digit to be 8, this digit as 8, Then the sum becomes 17 plus 8, 25, and the difference will be 25 minus 14, which is 11. This is the possibility. So this digit has to be 8. Let us look at the next one, B. We will make use of the same concept. The number will be divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of the digits at even place and odd place should be either 0 or multiple of 11. Here, the given number has second digit blank. Let me find out the sum of odd places and also even places. Here the odd places are 4 plus 6. I have considered this as 6. Let me check whether it is 6 or not. Even places, 8 plus 9 plus 8. Here it is 25. If I consider this as 6, I'll be getting 14. Then the difference will be 25 minus 14, 11. This is possible. Why can't we take any other digit other than 6? Suppose if I consider this digit to be a larger digit, say 9, 8 plus 9 will become 17. The difference will not be either 0 or multiple of 11. So only possibility is this digit has to be 6. This is how you need to guess it. The digit I have taken as 6 so that the difference will become 11. With this, we have completed exercise 3.3. Let's see the next exercise questions. In exercise 3.4, we have questions related to the factors and the multiples. Among these questions, the first one is to find the common factors of 20 and 28. So we need to find out the factors of 20, then the factors of 28, then we will find out the common factors. What are the factors of 20? It is completely divisible by 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now to identify the common factors, let me highlight the factors which are present in both of these factors. 2 is present in both, 4 is present in both. That's it? Yeah. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. This was for the first one. I'll be telling one more question. Say this time I'll consider the last one, 56 and 120. These two you can try it. Let me first write the factors of 56. Then I'll write out factors of 120. Then I'll find the common factors among them. The factors of 56 are 56 is exactly divisible by 1, 2. It is also divisible by 4. 7 8s are 56, so 7, 8. Then 14 4s are 56. 14. 28 2 times is 56. 56 1 time is 56. The factors of 120 are 1, 2, it is divisible by 3, 4, it is also divisible by 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 60 and 120. Now I need to find out the common factors. The common factors are 1, which is present in both, 2, 4, then 8, that's it. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Let's look at second question. Now in the second question they have given 3 different numbers. We need to find out the common factors. So first one, 4, 8 and 12. I'll write down the factors of 4, then the factors of 8, then the factors of 12. What are the factors of 4? 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Therefore, the common factors of 4, 8 and 12 will be 1 is present in all the 3, 2 is present in all the 3 and 4 is present in all the 3. These are the 3 common factors. Let us solve the second one. In second one, the factors of 5, 15 and 25 I need to find. Let me write it here. Factors of 5 will be 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3 and 5 and also 15. The factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Therefore, the common factors of 5, 15 and 25 will be 1 and 5. Only 2 common factors are present. With this, I'll end today's session. We shall discuss the remaining questions of the exercise in next session. Thank you.